Hi everybody, how y'all doing today? Today my ID cooling CPU low profile cooler came in the mail today, and I'm excited to unbox it and reveal it to all of you so y'all can see such a great product that ID Cooling been doing. They also came out with a new lines of CPUs. I will be putting their website in the description tab in the description below, so y'all can go ahead and check them out. I love ID Cooling. I will be using all their products in the near future because they're the best products. I have got their SE224 XD Basic in my editing rig. I did that into a build, my cuboid build. Um, Perfect CPU cooler. It's heavy. The thermal design power on that cooler is 180 watts. TDP design, so it keeps my Ryzen 5 3600 cool and at peak performance. So I ain't got to worry about that. My PC don't overheat. My product is great, and I recommend this to all the consumers out there that are looking for a good air cooler to keep their the CPU cool, and stay at its best performance. So let's get right on into it. This is the IS60 low profile CPU cooler. The TDP of this cooler is 130 watts. On my grandson's CPU, it's 4 cores, 4 threads at 3.0 gigahertz, and the CPU TDP power on that is 95. Now, I'm replacing it because the Rosewell ROCC 16002 is for low TDP wattage CPUs. The max wattage on that CPU of the Rosewell ROC 16002 is 85 or maybe 90 watts. The two 120 millimeter fans I got on my grandson build keeps the PC cool, but I can still feel the heat powering through the tempered glass. So that's why I'm replacing it with the IS60 low profile cooler. This cooler supports all LGA brackets from the 1156 all the way up to LGA 1200. It supports AM4s, AM3s, AM3 Plus, and AM2s and AM2 Plus CPU brackets. Enough said. You can't go wrong with this here. TDP is 130. It's a great cooler. It's like I said, I use this. I use their product in my editing rig, which keeps my Ryzen 5 3600 at its best performance, and I ain't got no issue with it. Alrighty, getting right on into the unboxing instructions. If you don't know, if you're first time using and installing the CPU, always go by the instruction manual. You cannot go wrong with it. The instruction guide will guide you through any simple task needed. Alrighty, right box is the bracket parts. You see the little CPU case in here, all the bracket mounts for the LGA 1200 to 1156 from your AM4s to your AM2 CPU brackets. Alrighty, and here come the whopper of them all. Yes, sir. Z IS60. It houses a 120 millimeter fan on this a nice chrome built finish. Go ahead and see the seats, the 6 heat pipe threadings to the bottom. And look how this is, baby. So if you have if you want a low profile cooler, and you into air coolers like me, and you have RGB fans in your an RGB controller kit, and you sit down here and put that there in that ambient mode, and it radiates off this chrome bracket fill pipes in the back, You can't go wrong with it. Everything looking great, looking good. The CPU cooler is one of the best. I had purchased it off Amazon. I will go ahead on and put the website link in my description below. Thank y'all for watching. Hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. I got more great content coming your way. I'm going to go ahead and be doing this build soon. So, and installing the CPU cooler my grandson built. So, y'all go ahead and y'all watch out for that. Once again, I thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one. Merry Christmas to all of you. Peace.